Introducing the newly upgraded MS Premium sound system for Road King. This amazing all-weather sound experience is now equipped with water and debris-proof speakers, including the powerful ARC 600 Tomatos in the pods and the impressive Hertz Neo 6x9s in the bags. This bulletproof sound system is meticulously assembled in-house craftsmen, ensuring high quality and optimal performance in any weather conditions. Get ready to elevate your ride with the unrivaled sound quality of the MS Premium sound system. I am so excited to listen to this. I think I will be dancing, oh yeah.
Street bitches, slash, Cocoa Puff, sweet bitches, make you wanna eat bitches, but not me. Y'all niggas eat off the plate all you want, but not me. I fucks with these hoes from a distance. The instant they start to catch feelings, I start to stealing their shit. Then I'm out just like a thief in the night. I sink my teeth in the vice. You thinking life, I'm thinking more like what's up tonight. Come on, ma, you know I got a wife, and even though that pussy tight, I'm not gonna jeopardize my life. So what is it you want from a nigga? I gave you, you gave me. Blaze you, you blaze me. Nothing more, nothing less. But you at my door, willing to confess that it's the best you ever test. Better than all the rest, I'm like, I ain't girlfriend. Hold up, I gave you what you gave me, boo. Another rest.
On this earth, this is birth. I've been cursed with this curse to just curse and just blur, just berserk. And those all shit that works, and it fails, and it helps, and it sells, and believe on this peace, and this peace, and these things, and just get in this stress, that's been eating me recently, all for this test, and I rest again peacefully.
Niggas. Put a nigga in the chicken wing. Pussy. 21, can you do it?
I'm a savage. 21. Smacker, booty, and magic. I slap a pussy nigga with the ratchet. I might slap a track on this whip and get the addy. Don't call me on Christmas Eve, bitch, call your dad. Bitch, call your uncle. Bitch, don't call me. Always in my ear, your whole feet. Why my ass be posting guns and only use they feet? Hey, like an athlete, I got
all you hoes, all of you hoes need to remember. I'm on that slaughter gang shit. Ain't murder gang shit. Ain't slaughter gang shit. Ain't murder gang shit. Hey, sticks and stones, chrome on chrome. That's just what a nigga on. Internet clones, got 'em kissing through the phone. Pussies clicking up so they don't feel alone. Hey, man, niggas seeing me, I'm young money CMB. I used to roll with CMG. The house is not a B&B. The bad bitches waiting on a nigga like I'm P&D. I'm steady pushing P, niggas pushing PTSD. I told her ass to kiss me in the club, fuck a TMZ. I used to want a GMC when what was doing B&E. We revving up and going on a run like the DMC. I lay up with her for a couple days, then it's BRB. Rappers love asking if I fuck when you know he did. When you know he did. She came in heels, but she left out on a cozy shit. Hey, I'm living every 24 like Kobe did. Shout out to the scene.